If you grow in spirit, you shall be such a person who is fire. You shall finish the things of childish. Tell your neighbor, if you grow in spirit, you shall discern. You will not touch every bad thing. You shall separate good and bad things. But what have hindered you to separate the good and bad? Because you haven't grown. You know, our child are failed to grow. The Bible tells us if we learn to separate precious from the unusual, He shall make our mouth. He has called us to be children, but we failed to resemble Him, to speak like God, to do like God. If you find a born again, that's taking the world calling it a ship. What are you taking? That for me, I don't see born again. When they reach there, the voice resembles the wolf. And they say, this is a wolf wants to eat. It is devouring me. When you don't see born again, once we grow in spirit, we shall know where we came from. When a child grows in spirit, he cannot stay in every home. He knows where he comes from. The Lord is God. They used to tell us that if you go in that home, they will eat you. If you go in that home, they shall feed you on the things you want. There's somewhere we went in the home. For sure they could eat things that are not common. But when a certain child was giving us, he looked at the grandma. The grand wanted to resist, but the child was giving us. So he was there with the plate. Yet the grand had rejected. The person I was with looked at the things at the plate and said, I saw things, but they were not. They were like meat, but they were resembling other things. It means we could eat what we didn't know. A child who has grown can't speak anyhow. What makes you speak like that? You are still young. It is a child who just speaks anyhow. He speaks what he doesn't know. What I'm saying, it is rumor. You talk about your friend. You just talk anyhow. They ask you, do you know them? You say, I just see them. But if you grow up, you shall know how to separate. Tell your neighbor, grow. A person who has not grown in spirit is like a balloon which is having air. It is big, but inside it is just air. It is light. The Bible speaks that a person has not grown in spirit. 1 Corinthians chapter 2 from 13 to 15. It's like the air. We are entitled to grow.
Twogera ebyo si mu bigambo amagezi g'abantu bye gayigiriza wabula omwoyo byayigiriza bwe tugeraageranya eby'omwoyo n'eby'omwoyo naye omuntu ow'omukka obukka takkiriza bya mwoyo gwa Katonda kubanga bya busirusiru gy'ali era tayinza kubitegeera.
Boogera ku muntu ow'omwoyo
ayogera by'ategeera era nga bya mwoyo naye ow'omukka obukka amala googera eby'omwoyo tabitegeera bavuga nti gunditambula bwoti ebyo tabitegeera. Omuntu akuze agasa beneficial.
Omuleka mu banne n'omajja kugasa.
Leave him in the friends
Ekikulemesa
that
okugasa.
what it fails you to
Ne ku
benefit.
kitundu togasa.
Even at the village you stay don't
Ku family
benefit.
togasa.
In the family you
Mu
don't
church
benefit.
togasa.
Even in the church.
Kubanga tonnakula.
Because you haven't grown up.
Bw'onookula
Once you grow,
ogenda kugasa.
you shall benefit.
Pawulo yagamba.
Paul
Bwe
said,
nali ng'omuto.
as I was still young,
Nakolanga bya buto.
I used to do of the
Naye bwe
childish.
nakula.
But when I grew
Kati
up,
akola
now
eby'obukulu.
he does of the
Kitwetagisa
maturity.
tukule.
We need to grow.
Tukole eby'obukulu.
So we do the maturity
Omuntu
thing.
akuze
A person who has grown up,
yeebuulirira.
he can counsel himself.
Yeebuulirira.
He can counsel
N'agamba
himself.
awo sisaanidde
He
kukola.
says,